See, when you make a noise, it does something to the enemy. It confuses him. And so we're going to confuse him with a loud sound. Come on, 1, 2, 3, do it now. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. That's the sound. That's the one that breaks you.
One. This is the time, the hour, the moment we have been waiting for. Now is the time to worship. Worship is an experience which involves the entire church. When we come together for worship, we do so as members of a kingdom which transcends the boundaries of religious dogma, time, and of space. Although we gathered at a particular moment, at a particular place, our actions reach far beyond these walls into eternity. We worship in the company of all creation to an audience of one. It is God who gathers his scattered people, and it is he who reveals himself as we enter into his presence. Worship expresses the truth that God dwells among his people and that we are created to share in his life. Worship is our corporate response to the presence of God and a remembrance of his saving actions. Pure worship is centered upon God. He has acted in history and he continues to act throughout the Holy Spirit. In doing so, we come closer to God. So now as we enter this worship arena, sphere, realm, domain, we are mindful of his glory and we respond to his presence with praise and with thanksgiving. We Shema, we celebrate with music. Upon the strings we worship. Upon the drums we declare his goodness. We lift our voices in concert with eternity. Holy,